For projects that are using the engineering design process, a problem must be described and a possible solution that usually involves one or more prototypes that can address and solve the problem. For projects using the scientific method, a question must first be asked and then a scientific hypothesis created. The hypothesis usually starts with, the results of the experiment should show that if then. There are actually two hypotheses that will need to be created: the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis. This hypothesis states that there is no effect, no difference, or no relationship between variables. It serves as the default assumption in scientific testing. For example, if you're testing a new drug, the null hypothesis would claim that the drug has no effect compared to a placebo. Researchers aim to test this hypothesis to see if it can be rejected based on evidence. Alternative hypothesis. This is the hypothesis that suggests there is an effect, a difference, or a relationship between variables. It is what researchers hope to support through their experiment. Continuing the drug example, the alternative hypothesis would state that the drug does have a significant effect compared to the placebo. In experiments, statistical tests are used to determine whether the null hypothesis can be rejected in favor of the alternative, based on the data collected. The statistical tests and other information is covered later in this manual.